and then drain the water right away.
And that just softens it up?
Yes.
It's cornstarch noodles?
Yes.
We have, is that celery leaves?
Yes, celery leaves that I cut from there.
Garlic, celery.
Then the onions.
And then carrots are somewhere?
Yeah, carrots here, and then cabbage.
Okay. What do you put in the bags?
I cut them ahead of time, like night before, and then I just put it in bags already washed, and then I'm ready to just put it in the mix, you know, when I'm ready to cook. Yeah.
Oh yeah, and then you boiled some chicken.
Correct.
And it was like a half
breast.
And you just boiled it.
Correct. And the broth, we will use that to cook the noodles in later.
Did you put like just salt and pepper in the chicken water?
Yes, yes. And garlic powder.
How long did you let it boil?
Just cook it for
like
about
an hour? Something?
No.
20 minutes?
20 minutes, yeah, it's good.
Okay. And then you take the meat out, let it cool, and then you...
Yeah. Then you should have this kind of soy sauce.
What any soy sauce do? Like Kroger
No, this
brand?
is the best. This is my favorite one, La Choy.
Are you sponsored by the
No.
La Choy? They give you free stuff? So
No, but I just like the flavor.
I got some off-brand stuff. Yeah, it was cheaper.
Yeah, that's my favorite one. So...
Alright, so you're heating up the pan, like medium.
I put some oil. I usually use the canola oil.
Okay.
That much, yeah.
You put in, was it about a quarter cup?
I think it probably will be.
Oh yeah, and by the way, you're making, what are you making here?
I'm sauteing the ingredients now.
Or what's the total recipe that you're making?
Oh, Pancit, which is rice noodles.
Except today, it used to be, we used to have rice noodles, but now we do cornstarch noodles.
Cornstarch noodles, yes. I'm gonna add salt and pepper. Yeah, that's like half teaspoon.
Okay. Half teaspoon of salt and pepper. Taking a second to heat up. So you saute that until it's like translucent or something?
Yes, and I'll just sprinkle maybe about half a 4 teaspoon of garlic powder.
Okay. But you put real garlic in there too, right?
Also, yeah, but it's just to flavor the onions.
Okay.
Then I'm gonna get ready to put the garlic also. Yeah.
Alright, so you put the chicken in after the garlic and onion. Alright.
Yeah. And then I'll go ahead and put the celery leaves too to give the flavor of the celery.
Okay.
Incorporated, yeah. I use half of cabbage.
And that's just green cabbage?
Oh, but small cabbage.
Okay.
Look at the size of the cabbage in the refrigerator, because I took half of it and I cut it like this one.
Okay. You put a little soy sauce in there?
Yeah, in the chicken and with the rest of the vegetables that I put, which are celery, cabbage, and carrots.
So you put a little soy sauce each time? Maybe like a quarter teaspoon or half a teaspoon each time?
I would say just put the soy sauce and then put the rest of the vegetables. Yeah.
Okay, so you don't have to keep adding more soy sauce?
No. It's just to be sure that this chicken will get the flavor of the soy sauce. So it won't be like bland, like you just boiled it.
Okay.
This one is already washed, so I'm not gonna wash it again.
Okay, so you put the noodles in. You put about 6 cups of broth.
Yes.
Of chicken broth, and then you put some soy sauce in there too.
Yes, and I've added more soy sauce in the noodles.
Okay.
And I'm gonna put it on like low, and then just cover it to cook the noodles.
Okay. And then the veggies and the chicken are over here.
Yes, and then we'll put that half of it in.
Okay.
With that one.
So really, I mean, could you put that in with just some rice and have like stir fry with just rice? It'd be kind of good too, right?
Yeah, it would be.
Like fried rice. I mean, if you put that in
with the cooked
like
rice?
Fried rice.
Yes, yeah. You need to use butter.
Yeah. It's like, is it like spaghetti where you throw it on the wall?
No, you cannot do that. No, just taste it.
Georgie.
I miss Georgie a lot.
What do you think Georgie's doing right now?
Buster and Mariah, trying to make Mariah throw things for her. That seems really close.
Yeah, it looks really close.
I miss Georgie, do you?
Who? Yeah, I miss Georgie too.
Hey, that's too close.
No, I think this is just right.